Well, welcome back for another video of 7 Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the battery of a new Mercedes key. I'm going to show you, I'm going to walk you through so you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. This button over here, press it to take out the key. Then use this key to pop this area open. Like this. Use the key again to open this with a bit force. Yes, then it's important to know which battery is inside. 2032. The new battery is 2032. Take this out. Put this in. Don't forget to close the cap. Hear it click. Another one. Click. Yes. Make safe it's locked. Make sure it's locked. And the key. And that's how you change the battery of the new Mercedes key. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.